Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, Sheikh.
Samtullah wa barakatuh.
Are any sound effects that are made from a digital audio software, like the sound effect you hear if you get a question right or a question incorrect, these sounds are made from instruments in a computer software. Is it still halal to use and intentionally hear these sounds because they don't give us the same effect as music?
Ya Umar, Ya Umar, Ya Umar. The problem is musical instruments. This is what the Prophet ﷺ prohibited. So if I have a guitar and I pull one string and the string says ding, is this music? No, this is one tone. But if I make a chord and I start to play, this is music. Likewise, digital invented or created sounds. When you have a multiple choice question and you choose the wrong answer and you digitally make a sound, zzz, this is not music. There's no problem in that. Or if you have a correct answer, it goes ding. There's no problem in that. There is no music. There's no beat to it. There's no feeling of sensation listening to such things. A fire siren, there's no problem in that. An ambulance, there's no problem in that. And I hope this answers your question.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Amsatullah.
So Sheikh, I'm running a business and I want to document my journey on YouTube and all of the social media accounts, and eventually I want to start selling course to teach people how to do it. And to do this I have to show how much money I make, the revenue and all of the profits and stuff, so people believe me and want to see the result before buying the course. So what's the ruling on this? Jazakallah.
Wajazak. The Prophet ﷺ said, Ista'inu على إمضاء حوائجكم بالكتمان فإن كل ذي نعمة مغبون. The Prophet says, عليه السلام, when going to execute your errands and to execute your projects, keep it low profile. Don't publicize it, because every person who's gifted and blessed by Allah will be envied. So no one in his right mind would go and say to people, well, I made my first million last year. Last year I made a forecast of X, Y, Z, and I managed to secure this amount of money. And then comes after a couple of months complaining that he lost all of his wealth. You deserve it, akhi. Why would you expose yourself and tell people how much you made? And logically speaking, if your projects were fruitful and making money, who in his right mind would leave the goose that lays the golden eggs and go teach courses for peanuts? The hell with everyone else. Go and focus on your business and make more money, rather than going to them and showing them charts that I made so much money and I'm willing to give you a course. I would have second thoughts that, akhi, you're phony. If you're making this much money, what are you teaching me a course? Go and make more money, triple it, quadruple it. Invest more and devote more time to your business that generates much more than such courses, and Allah knows best.